Hello everyone and welcome to a video from your friends at Roma Bucknell. Today we will be showcasing one of our products, the Potpourri.
Yes, we'll be unboxing our Potpourri box today. Not this one because this one's sealed. This could be yours if you go to our Etsy store and purchase it.
Yep, link is below in the description. And it has this lovely tape on it. This isn't plastic, it's some sort of eco tape. It feels really nice to touch actually. And we've got again up here, but this time it's got this lovely little print on it. It's really, really cute.
Yes, it's really sweet. And we'll be unboxing this box, which hasn't been sealed, but that's what you will get, the contents of it.
Yes, so all this is missing is the top taping. So,
yes.
Obviously when you open it up is you should get, first of all, a little thank you card, which says on it, "We're so grateful" on one side, and on the other it has a URL with our links in it and says, "Thank you so much for supporting our small family business." Now you watercoloured these yourself, didn't you?
I did, and it's on a piece of card from a product, and I like to reuse as much as possible.
It's really, really nice. And then you've got some craft paper, which is reused at the moment. We're getting a lot of it from our packaging, aren't we?
Yeah, we are indeed.
And then underneath that, well, you'll get this little freebie, which is of our pressed flowers.
So these will all be different.
This is just
on
sort
what
of
we've got available.
Yeah, and offcuts.
Don't use.
Exactly. And it's in this sort of plastic thing, but it isn't actually proper plastic. It is compostable.
It's clever, isn't it?
It is, and I'll talk more about that on the actual pressed flowers video. But you'll get that, and then you should get
Potpourri.
your bag of Potpourri, which again has this lovely tape on it, the one with the lovely print, and is in this lovely bag which is of craft paper. And it's really interesting, this isn't plastic either, it's a type of special plastic. It's called Nature Flex, and it's made of wood pulps.
Wow.
Which is really quite clever, and it's also compostable. There'll be more information on how to compose and how to properly, to be recycled and reused and all that. And that we'll have instructions on how to do that properly in the description.
And each bag's going to be different because obviously it's covered from our Scottish garden and our little wooded area.
Yeah.
And what we haven't included is the actual essence.
Yes, it will smell of the natural a product. You'll smell what they naturally smell like. The scents, it smells woody, it smells piney.
Yes.
Sometimes it can smell a bit more lavendery, depending on whether there's managed to be any lavender in there. But it will all vary. But it's designed for you to actually put your own scent.
Yes,
in
and you
there.
might not want any fragrance at all.
No, you may want it visually.
Leave it as it is.
Yeah, just leave it as it is, and it visually looks nice. But again, we've left it to you because there might be issues with allergens, maybe issues with just personal preference. We don't impose it on you. So naturally, what nature has given us smell-wise, and then you decide when you open it when you want to do
and
it.
you might want it really, really fragrancy, and then you can put loads of oil on it.
Oh, exactly. Yeah, or hardly any. So yeah, up to your own preferences and taste.
So we thought we'd unveil, if you like, this one and show you what's inside, and it is a variety, as we say. They've all been dried or pressed.
Oh yeah.
So you see the variety of what you get, and it's amazing how much you can fit into one of these bags.
Yes, and we wanted to try and encapsulate a forest
lovely.
floor. Oh yeah, it does smell nice, doesn't it? But encapsulate a forest floor as if you'd gone on a walk through a forest.
Yes.
And you managed to scoop this up the floor. And granted, not all of it. Oh my gosh, it really does smell really,
It
really
smells
vagrant.
nice, yes. So you got some pressed flowers that didn't quite make the grade.
Yeah, so obviously it won't be entirely pressed when you get your forest floor, but we've got it sort of pressed here and
Yeah, it was actually,
dried out.
this would have been something that wasn't quite up to scratch for the pressed flowers.
Yeah, and I think the same goes for the pine cones, doesn't it?
This one is slightly broken, but it's great in a potpourri.
And I think it's fine to show in a bowl or a jar or some sort of plating.
Yeah, and we have a wooden container here, for instance, that you can you don't even have to do too much to make it look quite nice. You can just layer it in.
It gives a really nice autumnal or rustic but natural feel to it, doesn't it? Yeah, that alone is just really nice, actually. Yeah. And again, just the natural... I mean, it will vary bag to bag, but this one is very potent, this smell. But yeah, you can do it in a variety of them. I like this one because although I said bowl or jar,
do
this
it
is out of the box,
got,
isn't it? I think reuse what you have lying around. And this is, I guess, we repurposed this from an old
Yes, exactly. Yeah. So there you are.
I think it's really nice. And again, you just scoop it up, put it in whatever you're doing, put some scents on it, put some smells, and see how it goes. Oh, again, I personally like it visually in a jar. We have these lovely jars, don't we?
Yes, we do.
And they just line at the sides of a windowsill.
Yeah, they do.
And they just look really, really beautiful in them.
Really pretty.
Lots of variety, lots of things you can do. And yeah, the Forest Floor Potpourri is for sale on our Etsy shop with the link below the description. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you enjoyed the video and think someone else will too, please share it with them as well. We hope you have a lovely morning, noon or night wherever you are, and we will see you soon. Bye!